Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to go to Dairy Queen. We're going to get one of their blizzards. This is the cotton candy blizzard. Stay with us, let you know how it is. All right, here we are, Dairy Queen. We got the small one because it's almost lunchtime, so look at that. Woo, mixed up with cotton candy and stuff. Woo, it's good and thick right now, but it'll melt, so if there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below. See if I can get it up here for you. We're pretty good at that. But this was a request right here by a viewer also. Let's see how this is, okay? That cotton candy gets cold, it gets kind of hard and crunchy. Can you see it there? Yeah, you can taste the cotton candy. It's just a little crunchy instead of like cotton. Dairy Queen. All right, how are we going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5? 1 being yuck, 5 being yo-ho. I'm going to give this about a 3. It was a little crunchier than I kind of expected it to be, but it's not bad at all. Pretty good. Okay. All right. We're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check them out. They'll be under a playlist called Taste Test and Dairy Queen both. Everything's under Taste Test. Then everybody's got their own, like Dairy Queen, Subway, Sonic, whatever. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. See you next time. But you know me, I'm not through. I'm going to eat some more of this, even though it is beginning to melt some, okay? I just wish it wasn't quite so crunchy. It's still pretty solid, though. Some of it is pretty crunchy. They have a lot of other blizzards up there, too, so go check them out. You check on my website, on my page, under the playlist. You see I did a comparison of various things on Dairy Queen and Sonic. You know, on second thought, you really don't get a whole lot of taste of the cotton candy in there. Beginning to melt some. Look at it. Get a free Blizzard treat or Hunger Buster when you download their app. I use the apps quite a bit. Yeah, if it hadn't been so crunchy, it'd been a little better. That cotton candy ain't exactly cotton after it gets in this cold ice cream. There was something there that wasn't real crunchy. I don't know what that was. Rest of it's crunchy. There's enough of it in there you can't get the, I'll call it ice cream. It's actually called, I don't know what they call it, but it ain't ice cream. Soft serve. You can't get the ice cream without the crunchy stuff in it. If you're going to get one of these, be ready for the crunch, okay? Of course, you may like the crunch. I'm not fond of it, but then again, that's my opinion. That's like the ratings on this. Ratings are strictly my opinion. My opinion only. You may differ from me. That's okay. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you think different than mine. Did you like it, love it, hate it? Are you going to try it? Have you tried it? What do you want to see? Leave me a comment down below. See if I can get it up here for you. Well, I think I'm about done here. So we're going to say thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. Sorry, my tongue's kind of frozen. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like it, love it, hate it. Gonna try it? Have you tried it? You differ from the rating as me? That's fine. Rating strictly my opinion, okay? Go check out the playlist. Taste test. Also be under DQ, Dairy Queen. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.